Malaysia construction industry is a major driver of economic growth, but it also produces a worrying amount of waste. Reports from Scope Malaysia show that construction and demolition waste can up to 40% of total waste in fast developing urban areas. We show that our current linear take, makes, dispose model is no longer sustainable. Scholars such as Kitcher et al. 2017 argue that the linear system accelerates resource depletion and increases environmental pressure, especially in rapidly developing countries like Malaysia. Because of these issues, industries worldwide are now moving toward a more sustainable model known as circular economy. This concept focuses on reducing waste, reusing materials, and keeping resources in circulation for as long as possible. In this video, our group explores how the circular economy can reshape and improve the future of Malaysia construction sector. Our first objective is to explain the circular economy and why it matters to construction. The circular economy is defined by the Ellen MacArthur Foundation 2013 as a system that designs out waste, keeps materials in use, and regenerates natural systems. Instead of discarding materials after one use, resources circulate through reuse, recycling, and repurposing. Researchers such as Pomponi and Monchester 2017 note that construction is the most resource-intensive industry in the world, consuming up to 50% of all extracted raw materials. This makes the sector a prime candidate for circular practices. For Malaysia, adopting circular principles such as material recycling, modular construction, and design of disassembly can significantly reduce waste and support national sustainability goals outlined in the 12th Malaysia Plan. Understanding this concept forms the foundation of our project as we analyze Malaysia's current challenges and explore opportunities for circular constructions.
As the world grapples with environmental issues, Malaysia is working toward a circular economy. But how far can we come and what challenge do we still face? Malaysia's journey toward a circular economy is gaining a momentum. The government has embraced circular economy goals in 12 Malaysian plan, with initiatives like a Malaysia Roadmap for Sustainable Waste Management. Several large companies has investing in recycling resources effectively and waste reduction, setting a positive example. Yet public awareness remains a challenge through an NGO to pushing increased understanding. Despite the effort, significant hurdles remain. First, Malaysians still lack a widespread recycling infrastructure, make waste management difficult. Small and medium-sized business struggle with a high cost adopting circular practice and technology. Moreover, there are gaps in policy enforcement with inconsistent regulation, slowing progress toward a full circular economy. To embrace a circular economy, Malaysia needs a strongest policy, especially those focused on product life cycle and extend a procedural responsibility. We must support SME with financial initiatives to make a circular practice affordable. Public awareness should be increased through an education campaign. With those change, Malaysia can move closer to a sustainable future, benefit both economy and environment. Let's keep pushing for the change because sustainable future start with a choice we make today.
Next, I want to identify strategies and opportunities to enhance sustainable construction practice. We have three strategies. First strategy is sustainable resource management, which is implement reuse and recycling program for wood, concrete waste, and steel. Also, to adopt material efficiency planning to reduce waste during layout and procurements. Strategy number 2 is energy efficiency in construction and operations. To apply energy efficient design principle in basic ventilation, daylighting, and installation. Also, to adopt energy efficient machinery and to schedule work to reduce fuel consumption. For strategy number 3 is green technology and innovation. To integrate BIM stand for Quality Information Modeling to optimize designs, reduce errors, and minimize waste. and also to employ renewable energy systems during and after constructions. So, lastly, the opportunities for trade of this strategy is to increase demand for recycled construction products, financial incentives for using certified green materials, higher property value for energy efficient structures, reduce operational cost for buildings, access to green financing and environmentally, and lastly, long-term saving for reduced carbon footprints.
Hello everyone. In this section, I will be presenting the findings of our study on how circular economy principles can be applied in Malaysia construction industry using a creative and professional approach. Firstly, our findings show that Malaysia is still in the early stages of adopting the circular economy. While awareness is increasing, many construction companies still rely on the conventional linear model of take, use, and dispose. This results in high construction waste generation, limited recycling facilities, and low adoption of sustainable materials. We also found several major challenges. The first one is lack of enforcement, second one is high cost, third one is limited technical, and the final is industry motivation. Despite the challenges, there are strong opportunities. Our research shows that circular practice can reduce up to 30% of construction waste, lower project costs in the long run, and improve environmental performance. Key strategies include adopting industrialized building system, strengthening material recycling networks, implementing green procurement policies, and promoting designs that allow buildings to be easily dismantled and reused. In conclusion, our findings highlight that Malaysia have great potential to transition towards circular construction with stronger policies, industry collaborations, and innovative technologies. The circular economy can drive a more sustainable, efficient, and resilient construction sector.